So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to activate Peacock TV on Roku, Apple TV, Samsung and LG. Full setup guide. So in Roku, press the home button on your remote Roku, then go to the streaming store and select search. Type Peacock and choose the Peacock icon. Select add app to download. Open the app, then click sign in and note the activation code on your screen. Visit Peacock TV, activate on your phone and computer to enter this code. In Apple TV, open the App Store from the Apple TV home screen, search the search feature to find Peacock, select the download or cloud icon to install the application. Launch the app, select sign in and grab the activation code. Visit Peacock TV, activate on a browser and re-enter the code. In Samsung TV, press the home button on your Samsung remote and navigate to the search icon. Search for Peacock, select it and click install. Open the download app and select sign in. An activation code will display on your TV screen. Visit Peacock TV on a separate device and enter the code. LG Smart TV. Press the home button on your LG Magic Remote to open the launch bar. Select the LG Content Store. Search for Peacock, select it and install. Open the app and select sign in. Note the activation code on your screen. Visit Peacock TV, activate on your TV or computer to phone to enter the code. Thanks for watching.